In this video, we are going to learn how to find out the fraction of the numbers given in HCF. So this is the brief introduction about HCF and LCM. The link for finding HCF is given in the description box, so you can check out from there that how to find out the LCM. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nana and I usually make videos related to short tricks of the mathematics. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel if you find the video useful for you. So let us start our today's topic, which is how to find out HCF of the fraction numbers. So you can see my earlier videos also in which I have explained the tricks to find out HCF and LCM of any given numbers. Okay, because we are going to use that same trick in this video also. Okay, so you have to just remember this formula of finding HCF of the fraction numbers, which is equal to HCF of numerator is divided by LCM of denominator. Okay, so if you know the trick how to find out HCF and LCM of given numbers individually, then you will be able to do this question very easily. Okay, so first is what? First is that we have to find out HCF of this numerator. Means numerator is what? 8, 12 and 32. So to find out HCF of the given numbers, what trick we use? We first write down our numbers in ascending order. So my numbers are in ascending order already. Then what we do? We take out the difference between the numbers, which is going to give me 4 and 20 in this case. Okay. Then we imagine that let my smaller number is equal to my HCF. Smaller number is what? Smaller number is my 4. So if 4 is acting as a divisor, then that number can be your HCF. Means if 4 is able to divide each of these numbers, then 4 is going to be my HCF. So 8 is divisible by 4. Yes, 12 is also divisible by 4 and 32 is also divisible by 4. So that means 4 will be my HCF of the numerator. Okay, now let's talk about the LCM. So LCM is what? 21, 35 and 7. Okay, so what trick we use to find out the LCM? We imagine that let us suppose my bigger number is my LCM. Okay, so let us suppose 35 is my LCM. So 35 will be acting as HCF acts as divisor and LCM is almost equal to what? It is almost equal to dividend. Means it should be divisible by all these numbers. So 35 is divisible by 7. Yes, 35 is divisible by 7. Next comes to the next number. Next number is my 21. 35 is not divisible by 21. So what I will do? I will make the factors of 21 7 into 3 and multiply my each factor with my imagined LCM and then I will check that my resulting number is divisible by 21. Yes, now 105 is divisible by 21. So this is going to be my answer. Okay, so see, there is no new trick to find out the HCF of the fraction numbers. Just you have to remember this formula, and if you know the tricks to find HCF and LCM of the numbers, then you will be easily able to find out this number. Okay, moving to question number 2. Question number 2 says what? That you have to find out the HCF of these numbers. So for that what we have to do? We have to find out HCF of the numbers 4, 5 and 7 and LCM of the numbers 3, 6 and 15. Okay, HCF of these numbers and LCM of 3, 6 and 15. Okay, and if you will divide both of these values, then you will get the HCF of this fraction.
Okay, so let's start doing it. So what we do to find out the HCF? First we will write down our equation in the ascending order, which is already in the ascending order. Then step number 2 is that we have to take out the difference between these numbers. So whatever is the smaller difference, I will take this number as my HCF. Let the smaller number is my HCF, which is equal to 1. So now check that 1 is a divisor for all the numbers or not, means all these numbers are divisible by 1 or not. So yes, all these numbers are divisible by this value. So HCF is going to be my 1. Okay, and what would be the LCM of this? In case of LCM, what we imagine that my bigger number is my LCM. So if this is my LCM, then what I can say that, so check that if this is acting as a dividend or not, means 15 is divisible by 3. Yes. 15 is divisible by 6. No. Then I will write down the factors of 6 as 3 into 2 and multiply this each factor with my imagined LCM. So 15 into 2 will be equal to 30. So 30 is divisible by 6. Yes. So 30 is going to be my answer.
If you find this video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. And for any doubts, please add your comments in the comment box. And let's meet in the next video in which we are going to find HCF of the bigger numbers. Till then, take care and bye bye.